What's going on, everyone? I hope you having a fantastic day wherever you are. My name is Hazel and I am your hostess in this video. Today is November the 2nd of 2020. Let's in this video spend time to see what the cryptocurrencies developments are. Enjoy and have fun with watching this video. For recognizability, the presentation setup is every day the same. In this way, you know which presentations are waiting for you. The only thing that changes is the daily data. FOMO is an abbreviation of fear of missing out. Before I start with reviewing the charts, I will explain you the FOMO behavior. Fear of missing out means that a social anxiety stemmed from the belief that others might be having fun while the person experiencing the anxiety is not present. That's the most of the reason why cryptocurrency enormously fluctuates. In this summary you see the most 7 popular cryptocurrencies with the actual data. We will focus on 3 cryptocurrencies. These are Bitcoin, or abbreviation of BTC, Ethereum, or abbreviation of ETH, and Ripple, or abbreviation of XRP. Let's start to review the first chart. This chart is a total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies. The currently volume of the whole cryptocurrency market is $393 billion. The volume of investments in cryptocurrencies are globally strong increasing, but be aware for a downward correction. This chart is the Bitcoin dominance within total market capitalization. The currently Bitcoin dominance within total market is 64%. The Bitcoin currency is losing dominance. This means there is more interest in altcoins than Bitcoin. This chart is the Dixie Index. This is an indication of the US dollar against another world currencies. Index higher than 100% means stronger US dollar. Index lower than 100% means weaker US dollar. Most important for us is, if the index goes down, then should the cryptocurrencies prices perhaps rise? And if the index goes up, then should the cryptocurrencies prices perhaps fall? This is not always the case, but it is a guideline to analyze cryptocurrencies. This chart is the long-term Bitcoin analyze. So as you can see, there is much potential to rise. The Bitcoin price has long-term a potential to rise to $51,000. The price of $51,000 is reachable within this wave, but it takes time. This chart is the Bitcoin price against US dollar. The Bitcoin price has passed strongly through the resistance of $12,200. This was the most important barrier. What is broken? The ultimate target is $26,000. To get there, the price must remain above $12,200. If the price falls down below $12,200, the target price will be $8,300 in downward trend. The finally triangle decision moment ends on May 2021. Let's focus in time frame the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin price is now in a correction mode. The Ethereum price follows the movement of Bitcoin. You must have Ethereum in your portfolio, because Ethereum has an enormous potential. Bears are now in charge, but the price action is a correction downward. Be aware for this. Even the Ripple price follows the movement of Bitcoin. You must have Ripple in your portfolio. Bears are now in charge, but the price action is a correction downward. Be aware for this. Do not hesitate with your investments, because there is always an opportunity. Have patience and do not focus on the daily movements. Look at the horizon and have a long breath. Long-term investments have the best return on investment. Thank you for watching this video. This daily video is exactly what you need. What is based on daily up-to-date data. Do not forget to subscribe this channel, then you do not miss anything. Click on the button to subscribe this channel. I see you in the next video.